name's Joshua Robinson here at How To. Welcome to another 3 Tip Tuesday episode, and I hope you guys are doing great. Now, just like that sounded, this is every Tuesday we are going to be getting 3 tips to you guys. That way that y'all can find just some new ways, hopefully, to be able to grow your YouTube channel. So yeah, we're going to get into that in just a second, guys. I just want to thank you once again for all the support, all the love you guys have been giving. And let's go ahead and hop right into it. And first, let's check out this cool intro. All right, well, so first, right before we get into it, I just want to thank every single one of you that have just been so active on this channel, commenting, asking questions, giving some suggestions on some new videos. Guys, I really appreciate it. And if you're new here, just please consider subscribing. That way you can be involved in this awesome family that's just being able to just help each other grow. And again, guys, as always, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know your thoughts on this video today, and let's go ahead and let's jump right into it. All right, so this week on 3 Tip Tuesday, we're going to be talking about 3 tips on just ways to be able to keep your channel sustainable and help it grow. So we're just going to jump right in, and tip number 1 is the accessibility. And basically what that means, can every episode be appreciated by a first-time viewer? Now, I think that's pretty self-explanatory, but just in case it's not, that just means that if somebody who hasn't viewed your channel before, doesn't know who you are, doesn't know your name, doesn't know what you do, if they click on your video, and within the first 10-15 seconds, can they easily identify, 1, what the video is about, and 2, be able to keep up with what's going on your channel, because every video that you post has a chance of going viral, has a chance of reaching a new viewer. And guys, that is so important, is because that is part of retention time, is if within the first few seconds somebody can identify what the video is about, and then as you get into the actual video and the content that you've put out, that way that they can actually follow along with what you've put. So that's tip number 1, is the accessibility of your content. Can every episode be appreciated by a first-time viewer? And we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into tip number 2. Number 2, and that is consistency, guys. Are there strong reoccurring elements in your channel? And I know, guys, you've probably heard this 100 billion times by now, by just about any YouTuber who's ever put out a how-to video on YouTube to how to build a YouTube channel. But it is so true, guys. You have to stay consistent. You have to pick something. Now, I'm not just saying that, pick Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and those are the 3 days you're gonna post, or, every Sunday, Wednesday, and Saturday, or something like that. While that does help, there are just some other things that you can do to make sure that your channel stays consistent. Keep a consistent vibe to your channel, whether that's the kind of music you're playing, even down to the clothes you're wearing, to the environment you're filming in. That way, when somebody sees your video, they immediately know, hey, this is so-and-so's video. Even your thumbnail, guys, pick a theme for your channel, kind of go with that. Now, don't, feel like you have to do the same exact thumbnail every single time. But when somebody sees your thumbnail when they're scrolling, you want it to be easily identified as, hey, that's so-and-so's channel. And so those are things that you can do to stay consistent. Now, guys, I do 100% want to emphasize that a consistent posting schedule does actually help tremendously, because that gives your viewers something to look forward to. That way, if you wake up on Monday morning and say, hey, HowTube has posted a video today, which I don't know why I picked Monday because my schedules are Sunday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but you guys get the point. But that way that that when you wake up that day, you can enjoy a new video, new content from that channel. It's just like a TV show, and those are what your viewers are looking for, is consistency. That way they can get excited about when you're uploading content. So long enough on that topic. Let's go ahead and move on to tip number 3, and that is collaboration, guys. Is there room for other creators in your content, in your idea. And basically what that means, guys, is when you're thinking about your channel, when you're thinking about the content that you're putting out, keep in mind, like, is this something that in the future that I could collaborate with another channel, with another YouTube creator with? Is this something that they could jump in with me and give some value to my channel, as well as you be able to give value to their channel? Because guys, that is huge and growing on YouTube, is collaborations. Because if you think about it, and say you have 10,000 subscribers, which I'm assuming that most of you guys watching this probably don't yet, but if you have 10,000 subscribers and then you collaborate with somebody who has 50 or even 100,000 subscribers, well, that's 50 to 100,000 subscribers that potentially have not seen your channel yet and potentially are probably going to view that video, and then a percentage of those people are likely to subscribe. And so those collaborations help to grow your channel, which, by the way, guys, hopefully here soon in the future, I'm going to be having some collabs on my channel as well. And so when those do, those will go up, and I really would love you guys to check those out because some of the people I'm talking to, I'm really excited about. And so, yeah, that's just going to be really cool. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much sums it up for this Tuesday, the 3 tips, just to go over those once again. Number 1 is accessibility. Tip number 2, consistency. And finally 3, collaboration, guys. Keep those things in your channel, and I guarantee that you will see improvement on your view rate, your view time, your subscriber rate, because guys, this is how you grow your channels. Now, guys, for those of you if you've already watched this to the end, then congratulations, I appreciate it. Lets me know that I'm doing something right. But for those of you who have viewed to the end and you're seeing this and you're thinking, well, you don't have a lot of subscribers yet. That is very, very, very true. This is a extremely new channel, but I am not new to the YouTube industry. I have a couple of other channels that I've grown in the past that I just kind of stayed behind the scenes in, that I am using for reference for this channel, as well as kind of using this channel as an example to be able to, for you guys, just kind of follow along and see how these tips actually work. And for those of you who are like, well, what about the views and what about, all those things, the watch time? Well, guys, I have a really, really cool thing for you to go check out if you haven't already. The link's going to go ahead and go up in the description above. And that is on my very, very first video on this channel. The channel had only been live for about 2 or 3 days. And the video had gone up, and within the first 3 days, I had well over 2,000 views on that video, and now is pushing almost 4,000 views on that first video, with nobody knowing what this channel is about at all. So guys, these tips, these things, they do work, and I promise that if you do apply them to your channel, you will see improvement and changes in your channel. And so guys, I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, just go ahead, smash that like button, make sure that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, guys, that way you know when new content goes up as we grow together, growing our channels together. And as always, guys, just please leave comments in the comment section below. I want to know what you all think, what you all want to see, the content that you want me to put out. So definitely comment below, because that is how we're going to get the content out to you guys that you want to see. So again, guys, hope this was helpful. Enjoy it as always, and I will catch you all in the next video.